Hi, I'm Rob Reeves, VS Sassoon stylist. Did you know the 3 top concerns women have when styling their hair are frizz, styles not lasting, and damage caused by heat tools? Well, VS Sassoon has the solution with the new 5Q Brilliance high-performance hairdryer. Let's chat about the European-inspired and designed 5Q Brilliance hairdryer. It delivers the best frizz-fighting results. The 5Q Brilliance offers a super advanced ionic conditioning system that releases 50% more frizz-controlling ions for the ultimate frizz-free results. It locks in your style with a lockable cold shot that maintains a cold 28 degrees to set your style in place for longer lasting results. You can be out the door faster with 70% faster controlled airflow to reduce drying time and hair damage for more radiant, healthy hair. The next generation EC digital motor is the best for hair protection and means a longer lasting dryer with up to 5,000 hours dry time and 10 times longer life. Don't like noise? The 5Q Brilliance hairdryer has a specially designed air intake system for up to 40% less noise. Your 5Q dryer comes with 2 attachments, perfect for drying and styling. Use the concentrated nozzle for precise, controlled smoothing or the diffuser to enhance natural curls. The results are a smooth, frizz-free blow dry with healthy hair and radiant shine.